And now for the news in detail. Droupadi Murmu on Monday took oath as the 15th President of India. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana administered her oath at a ceremony held at Parliament's Central Hall in the presence of former President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President and Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, amongst others. She took the oath in Hindi. Murmu is India's youngest president at 64 and the first to be born after independence. Murmu, who was born in a Santhal family, went on to become the first person in the village to enroll for college education. She started public life as a councillor and held the post of Governor of Jharkhand. The day, which started with outgoing President Kovind and Murmu arriving in a procession from the Droupadi Bhavan to the Parliament building, was edged with ceremony and celebration. The new president was given a 21-gun salute, after which she signed the oath register and thunderous applause and thumbing of desk.